Hello there, beautiful people. Today I'm taking a look at the Crazy Rumors Breeze by Crazy Rumors. This is hibiscus flavored lip color. Net weight of 0.15 ounces by Crazy Rumors. A little bit about this product. It's manufactured in the United States in Kennesaw, Georgia. I guess they also have a branch in the UK. It's gluten-free. It's non-GMO. It's Cruelty certified vegan. They do not test on animals, so it's bunny friendly, which we like. Basically, it has all natural vegan ingredients: macadamia nut, seed oil, olive oil, shea butter, all great ingredients. You've got jojoba seed oil, natural flavors from the hibiscus, and stevia, so it's actually sweetened a little bit. I know that when I was younger, I would often eat my lip gloss that was flavored off my lips because I would enjoy the taste of it so much. This one's not particularly sweet. It feels really nice in the lips. I highly enjoy it. I'm going to show you what color it comes up with. So it looks kind of like a darker color. And this is the nice, just very lightly tinted color that it comes up with. So it's just a nicely tinted lip balm. Vegan, cruelty-free. Great, just, lip balm to keep your lips moisturized. It has all the good ingredients: jojoba oil, macadamia nut seed oil. So I love the name. I think it's cute, the hibiscus. And like I said, it's flavored with hibiscus. It also smells like it too, so it smells a little sweet. It's just something. Basically, it's made with moisturizing shea butter, vegan ingredients, no animal products, cruelty-free, no animal testing, nut-free, and gluten-free. This color is a rosy mauve shade with a hibiscus scent and flavor. And it's a nice thing to keep around in your purse. And if you don't want to wear a lipstick, you just want something that has a little bit of color to it, this is something that is an alternative to just put on a little bit of lip gloss. Chapstick, basically, that has a little bit of flavor and color to it, and it has really all natural ingredients. A little bit about Crazy Rumors hibiscus lip color. It's all natural, cruelty-free, and vegan. This lip color is also nut and gluten-free. Crazy Rumors lip color is cruelty-free, not tested on animals. Like I said, Leaping Bunny approved. Crazy Rumors lip color contains vegan ingredients, no animal products, and is made in the USA. The lip color is made with moisturizing shea butter, softening macadamia seed oil, and soothing jojoba with vitamin E. The lip color also contains a mineral color of mica with mineral sunscreens. So that's another thing that's a plus on that. Long-lasting color, keeps your lips shiny, supple, and healthy. And the size of the slim lip color tube. It's a slim, small lip color tube, and the Breeze lip color is a rosy mauve shade with a fragrant hibiscus flavor. So all good things. I have no complaints about this product. I'm feeling it on my lips right now. I really enjoy the color. I enjoy the moisture of the product itself on my lips. It's got a cute little design to the outside. That it's all natural is appealing, and the fact that it's not tested on animals and it's vegan they're all appealing things about this product. So crazy rumors, you get a 5 out of 5 for me on this product. And like I always say, don't take my word for it. Try it yourself, and thanks so much for watching.